All right, so how can we share a project? What are the rules associated with sharing a project? Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so in my projects folder here, I have several projects, and one of those being here is this one right here. And if you see this where it says public, that is how you can share. So let's go ahead and say we wanted to share this with our friends. You guys watching the video can even do this as well. So this project, it is public. The reason why it is public is because it does not contain an image that I have personally uploaded. I have not uploaded any SVG files to this project here. And that is the main reason why I can make that public or not. And so what do I need to do in order to share this with people? Well, basically at the top here, you would copy and paste this wherever you wanted. That'd be in Twitter, email, Facebook. If you paste this URL, and I'm going to have a link in the description or below this video here with this, so you can actually see that it is a shareable file. But yeah, that is what you would do in order to share it. Now let's go back to the project window here, and I do have this right here. Obviously it does have some basic shapes in it, okay, but it also has a set from my image set, and notice that the public is not available, and that's because I uploaded an SVG file of these arrows. That is the only thing that is stopping this from being something that we can use and share with other people. So that's part of the rules. Okay. Now another thing when it comes to sharing, obviously if you have a font that you used, okay, and you try to share it and that person does not have that font, well, it's not going to show up properly. And let me give you an example of it. I'm going to go ahead and just create a new project, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in the URL of an item that was shared with us that, where we don't have the font. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to see that we get a little warning. It says this project contains fonts that are not installed on the computer. If you make any edits to the text, Lavendery Sturdy will be replaced with Arial. Okay, so defaulting to Arial. So if a problem persists, please contact customer care. So anyways, that's because we don't have the font that it is requiring if we do decide to edit. So that is another drawback to this anyway. Okay, so all right, now hopefully you guys now know how to make things public, make things not public. Obviously if you are ever a video tutorial making person and you're showing people projects that you use with Cricut Design Space, and you feel that you do not want to make that public, well, you just uncheck mark that little check mark, and now that has made your project private. So even if your video shows the link that we used before, they would not be able to use that. So that is how you make things public and not public, or something that is shareable.